Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can add a website to your board on Pinterest. So to do that, I'm just going to press this middle button, this plus button on the bottom tab, and press create pin. Then I'm just going to choose like the website part. Like as you can see, there's like a sort of web icon next to the camera. And then you can either search or enter a link. I'm just going to, for instance, enter this link, and then I'm just going to press go. And I'm just going to press save, and you can choose the board you want to save it in. I'm just going to choose quotes because it's like a blog for like words and stuff. And if you go to quotes, there is it, hold on. If I go to quotes, there will be like the website link to it, and you can visit the website by pressing visit. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!